Artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction. It's already part of our daily lives. From chatbots that answer our questions to algorithms that recommend what we watch, AI is everywhere. But with this rapid progress comes a big question. Will AI take over human jobs? In today's video, we'll explore which jobs are most at risk, which new careers will rise, and how you can prepare yourself for the future workplace. AI is especially powerful in handling repetitive and predictable tasks. Jobs like data entry, telemarketing, and basic bookkeeping are at high risk because machines can do them faster and more accurately. Even transportation is changing. Self-driving cars and delivery robots are already being tested worldwide. Millions of drivers could see their roles transformed or even disappear in the coming years. The truth is, any job that doesn't require creativity, human judgment, or emotional intelligence is vulnerable to automation. But AI has limits. It struggles with tasks that need empathy, deep creativity, and complex decision-making. For example, teachers who inspire students, doctors who provide emotional care, and artists who create unique works. These are roles AI cannot fully replace. AI can assist, but it can never replace the human touch. In fact, as machines handle the routine work, human-centered professions may become even more valuable in the future. History shows us that whenever technology takes away jobs, it also creates new ones. AI is no different. We're already seeing demand for AI trainers, data analysts, cybersecurity experts, and even people who design ethical rules for machines. Entire industries, from space exploration to biotechnology, will open new opportunities thanks to AI. Instead of fearing AI, we should see it as a partner that creates possibilities we couldn't imagine before. So how can you secure your future career in an AI-powered world? Focus on learning skills that machines cannot easily copy, like creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, and problem solving. At the same time, build technical knowledge in AI, coding, or digital tools. The future won't belong to those who compete against machines, but to those who know how to work alongside them. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human potential. In the end, the question is just, will AI take your job? It's also, how will you adapt to the changes? The future of work will be shaped by those who are ready to learn, innovate, and collaborate with technology. So, instead of fearing AI, embrace it as a partner in progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of science and technology.